So Jen, we want to see how you can exert power and authority. Have you ever fired a serious weapon before?
Nope.
That's an air cannon. It's got a potato in it. I sort of made a bullseye in the van that you can hardly see. Anyways, let's see if you can hit it.
Okay,
Now he's going to show you how to hold this thing.
How you hold it is you hold it up to your shoulder.
Okay.
Like that.
Like that. Have your arm
against your shoulder.
Yep.
Against your shoulder. Then you have the switch right here.
You just flick the switch.
And the thing is, it'll kick on.
Yeah.
So be prepared for that. And just aim it. No, you're not going to fall if you stand right. Just you'll aim it down the barrel and hold tight.
Did you think it's better that she's on her knees or standing up?
On her knees, because I've seen other people that have fired a person.
Now, okay, Jen, fire when ready.
Okay, arm, fire.
Flick the switch.
Holy
It's raining potato.
Potatoes.
Oh, liquefaction.
I kind of... I wasn't expecting that. It was like it didn't work.
Because the battery's almost there. I was like, come on, come on. So, oh, boom.
That was funny.
All right, now Jen, choose your weapon. Choose your weapon.
Okay. Can Brittany
You can,
help? No,
yeah, Brittany can help.
Come on.
Attack that van.
I'm not angry at the van though.
I hate it. It's dead.
It's a Ford.
Get very angry.
It's a Ford.
It is a Ford.
See if you can get an axe to go. See if you can get an axe to go right through the side panel.
Yeah. Which axe is lighter?
That's the noise.
No, don't take the lighter one.
Take the lighter
It'll
one.
bounce. It'll bounce.
Swing a big long one.
If you take the lighter one, it'll bounce. Take the heaviest one.
They both feel the same.
But one has a smaller tip, so that'll penetrate easier.
This one will go if it's the same weight.
I already know how to swing an axe.
You have never swung an axe?
I don't think so.
Well, I'll have to teach you how to use a chainsaw next then.
I know how to use a chainsaw.
Okay, see if you can bury that axe right in that side panel.
Okay. This one?
Yep. Punch it right through.
Almost.
Almost.
Okay, let's try harder. It's a little hole.
That's what he said.
Swing it sideways.
Get it a little closer.
You're getting through. Come on, you're getting through.
Yeah.
It's harder to hold it that
There you
way.
go.
That one's not as easy.
Brittany, do you want to help her, show her to get it done?
No. Yeah, he showed me.
Come
how
on.
to do that. No.
Come on.
That big axe. That guy's pretty fast.
Rick, you see if you can get a hole in the side. The same. There you go.
Brittany tried once. Hard. As hard as you can.
Come on, make it the demolition mission.
Oh, it's hard to do. It's right upward.
This one's sharper.
Maybe it bounces too much there. Try hitting the door.
Take that. No. Try hitting the door.
Yep.
Nope.
Try hitting the glass.
Okay.
Ooh. Close your eyes after.
I got glasses on.
What? Oh, wrong window. There you go.
That's easy though. I'm gonna try this fender that Rick made look so easy. Damn it, give me that one.
You broke the antenna.
I didn't try that.
Come on, you're the Tin Man. Try to save Dorothy.
Better swing.
Pretend the van's on fire and you're rescuing a family in the ditch. You got to get them out. You're the fire department.
Yeah.
There's a little hole.
There's some penetration there. Whoa!
Oh! Party in my hair. I like this one better.
One hand.
How come you can
Okay, now the sledge.
The
it's too
sled.
much like working?
Lee sledge.
Getting speed wrench.
There's a side view mirror to break.
It's back in this way.
Oh, that's a love tap. Treat it like it's married. That's better.
Married enough.
That's a broken marriage.
Get through the holes you made.
There's one on the other side. In the windshield.
Yeah! That's not fun.
You can go on the roof and get the windshield.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You might want the axe too, one on each hand.
Easy. I can swing one with one arm.
Yeah, climb up this way.
Climb on the hood. But don't scratch the glass when you're going up there or crack it or anything.
Don't scratch it.
Here we go.
Yeah, good.
Nah.
I'm gonna fall, but. Oh, that's me.
You did it!
This glass isn't as fun.
Well, now let's see if you can poke a hole in the roof with the gravity helping you with the axe.
Trade me.
Another U-turn.
Not bad.
Yeah.
That stuck.
I wanna try. Yeah. Okay, it's the hardest one that doesn't do anything.
Doesn't she remind you of Jason on Friday the 13th trying to break into those victims' vehicles and kill them?
She has it sideways when she's.
Come on, like the last X that pissed you off.
Yeah, pretend it's Miles' truck.
Oh yeah.
Right there.
This is for you, Miles.
Yeah. Oh, that was my shield again.
Here, X.
Yeah.
Okay,
You need the proper motivation.
Don't step backwards and go in that hole.
I'm not going to. Okay,
I ripped from the hole through.
as hard as I can.
Tell her that.
That was a little bit crooked.
How about I just go straight over my head?
All right.
That was actually.
Yeah.
Oh, now that's sinking her in. Full penetration.
That's easier.
You're out of breath. Do you smoke?
No, I just have bad asthma.
Oh.
Yes.
Well, you're getting the money shot every time now.
Windshield one again?
Sure. Miles' head is right there.
Oh yeah, that would be nice. As creepy as that is, I could be an axe murderer.
You sure could. You sure could.
Probably isn't a good idea.
The chainsaw's next.
That I knew how to use. This one here.
Oh. Now, this van sure needs a bit more work, so why don't you get your car and ram it?